Okay, so this is my first attempt at recording a live debug session on a live production site, and hopefully you guys will learn something from my headache here. So the actual problem is this is a TYPO3 CMS for all of you who are not familiar with it, and I'm using a commerce extension on it to display some how do you call it, clothing products for a client. And the problem on particular problem on this one is that this category here contains 7 items, and all I'm getting on the front end is 6. So I'm trying to figure out why this 7th one is just not shown. And I haven't found any sort of limit. I cleared the caches. That wasn't it. And I just came up with another idea. I didn't check if perhaps in the front end in the code, if he perhaps does display 7, but because of something in the CSS it's not visible. So let me check that option. So you see here is 6 items, and in here you have 7 items. So that's the problem. So let's see in the code, in the HTML code, how many products are actually rendered. Okay, I'd say that this is the first one. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6, and there is only 6 of them. Okay, so it appears that I've missed something somewhere else. Okay, so let's launch the debug session and try to actually hit it with a debugger. This is the source code of the web shop extension. So I'm going to hit a breakpoint right here, and I'm going to launch the debug session. Okay, and now in the browser I can just go to that category, and it should hit the breakpoint, but it didn't, perhaps due to the cache or something like that. Let me see, the cache cleared, bam and bam, and I reloaded with Control-Shift-R in Firefox. It still doesn't hit the breakpoint. That's funny. That is funny. Why wouldn't you hit? Oh, it says suspended. Suspended means that it hit a breakpoint, but it's not showing me where it hit it. That's funny. I'm gonna terminate this one, kill it all together, and I'm just gonna start a new one and see if that helps a little bit. Bam, let's go to the front end and browse to that category again, and still it doesn't show a breakpoint. Let me add an xdebug break call right here. It's a function that appears within PHP. Once you install the xdebug module into PHP, then you can add this function to your source code, but you need to be careful to remove it once you disable the xdebug, because if you don't, it will kill your site, because that function won't be available anymore. So that's obviously just for debugging purposes. So let's reload this one more time and see if it's gonna hit it. And now it hits it. Oh, it didn't map the sources. Okay, so this is the one that I need. Okay, I'm gonna press F8, let it roll all the way and finish, and I'm going to remove this modification, save it, and see if it's going to hit the breakpoint without that call now. And it does. Okay, so now in here I need to figure out why does it load only 6 items. So make list view, obviously. That sounds logical. Template code. This template is obviously just a template code. Shouldn't be anything crucial for us. Where is it? Template code. La la la. Yeah, That's just the template code of the commerce extension. Category list subpart, what's that? Oh, that's just for the particular category. Marker array, start point, nothing relevant for us. Marker, category products, this category products and equals array slice. What's this? This category products. Let me see what's this category products. That sounds like it might be a list of category products, and there's 7 of them, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see the IDs. 69 to 75, and we can compare that here in the backend if those are the items. 69 to 75. So these are the items, and this part of code says this category products equals array slice. This category products internal start point is 0, internal results is 6. So that's the issue. The internal results is some kind of limiter that is set to 6, and that's why it doesn't display the rest of them. Now I just need to find out where this internal results, this internal results at a time minus this conf number of top products. Okay, let's find this results at a time. Where did you have that? Okay, nowhere in here. I need to find out where this variable is initialized from. Ext commerce minus IR. Come on. My CPU is a little bit hogged by the screen capture. I'm not really happy with that. Okay, let me see where you have this. Only in the PI base. Oh, but it's initialized here from this conf max records. Let's search for max records then. Okay, max records, bam. Static setup txt max records is 10. How did it come up to 6 then? So that's in the setup that I should be able to set it from TYPO probably. Okay, so that should be something like this. Template. Probably here, that's like the root page, and then I go into object browser, and now I need to find the commerce plugin, and the PI1 part should have max records in it if I am not mistaken. Yeah, and it's set to 10. How did it come up to be 6? I don't know. Anyone got an idea? Blah 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 blah. Max records. It's a usage this conf max records equals this PI get FF. Oh, that's from the flex form. So perhaps the flex form is setting it to something else. Now I don't remember if I inserted this from a flex form or not. Products. Oh yes, I did. The product listing and the flex form number blah 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 templates number products 6. Yeah, that could probably be it. Let's put that to 60. Bam, and punch F8 in here, let it complete, and now I can just reload it one more time. Hits the breakpoint again. Just punch F8, and we have the 7th product. There we go. So that was a successful debug session. Cool. So let me finish the capture and upload this to YouTube, and I'm gonna send it to TYPO3 IRC channel, and we'll see how you guys like this. I liked it a lot. I think it wasn't that long either. Hopefully not too much over 10 minutes.